अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग। तो अगेन आज मैं एक नया पावर जॉय का 3-in-1 पैक लेकर आया हूँ। तो इसमें 3 लेटेस्ट न्यू मॉडल्स हैं। 1:43 BMW X5M, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ and Maserati Levante. So let's start the unboxing. Okay. So let's first start with 1:43 Maserati Levante. Okay, this is the side profile. This is from the front. You can see Maserati logo. Here also Maserati logo. This is the back side. Here the Levante is there. Maserati, okay, Maserati logo is there, and here also it's mentioned Levante. थोड़ा zoom करता हूँ तो फिर इस पे focus, yes. It's a nice car. देख सकते हैं आप इसके sunroof with openable doors. It's a very nice metallic silver color, you can say. Now let's take the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी पावर जॉय में इससे पहले भी एक Lamborghini थी ऑरेंज कलर की, एंड दिस इज़ इन वाइट. ये थोड़ा सा इसमें आई बिलीव कुछ इश्यू है. इसका ओपन डोर इज़ नॉट गेटिंग ओपन. ओके आई बिलीव यहाँ पे थोड़ा ये पेंट स्टक हो गया. एनीवे द मॉडल इज़ नाइस. यू कैन सी द इंटीरियर, द वाइट कलर. 63, दिस इज़ अ स्पोर्ट्स मॉडल, सो उसका 63 नंबर है. अगेन Lamborghini logo. Here the SVJ is written. This is from the back side. And this is also the official product, so you can see the sticker, official license product. Here it is mentioned Lamborghini Aventador SVJ under license product 1:3 43 scale. And this is also, see, Maserati. Let's take the BMW. This is BMW X5M. This is a front profile, you can see the BMW logo. Here the BMW X5M. The front grille is in black color. Nice metallic blue color. From the back side.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe, do like and share with your friends, and also don't forget to comment your favorite models for unboxing. Till then, thank you so much, and inshallah we'll meet in next video with some new exciting models.